Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how I can extend RAM on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. In order to do this, we need to go to the settings, then we need to scroll down until we find device care. So let's tap this option. Now over here, go to memory, and after a few seconds, we should be able to use RAM Plus at the bottom of the screen. So if you go there, you can now choose how much RAM you want to use. And of course, this option needs to be enabled. So if it's not on, then turn this on. And then you can choose if you want to use your RAM Plus feature to extend the RAM up to 2 more gigabytes, 4, 6, or 8. So if you select, then you will need to restart your device. And after that, you should have your internal storage converted into additional RAM. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.